Hey guys, it's Maizelynn. Welcome back to Visit Talk About Days. So, we leave for LA today in about 6 hours. So, that's what we're doing. This is the state of my room after packing. It's awful. I hate every second of it. My room is normally perfectly spotless. Like, there's not a single thing on the ground unless it's like my stuffed animals, right? There's stuff everywhere, like literally everywhere. That's the suitcase. I packed that. So there's that. Let me take my earbud out. So that's what we're doing. But I need to try on Rocket. I need to get my cat more food, and I think that's it for now. But I packed. We're packed. My nails are done. We're packed. I have my water, and we're gonna clean this up because I don't want to come home to a dirty room. So there's that. So yeah. So guys, just inside, I got tested for COVID and came back negative. I didn't have any COVID symptoms really. It was like one. It was nausea, but it was weird. I got like a bug thing, and then I had to get an IV in my arm, and I don't know if you can see it anymore. Oh yeah, you can. It's right there. I'm gonna show you my tongue, but it was like right here somewhere. It's like right there. Somebody walking, and it was awful, but we went to the hospital, and then we were like, can we still go? And they're all, yeah, it's fine. I was like, okay, great. And then we got the test back today, and it's fine. And then my sister had to take a day off work, and I felt really bad, but they paid her, so it was fine. Because they had to prove that like my test was negative or something, because she was around me on Saturday for like 2 minutes, but apparently, I don't know. I don't understand. No idea. But I thought I'd tell you that because literally no reason. Yeah. Somebody's walking. Hey guys, I was just outside, so I'm all red, but I got a text from my uncle, okay, so I just got a text from Xander, and, which is my uncle. You've seen him in a couple of my videos, but he just got in a car, and he's like, hey, you want to go run an errand with me, in my new car? So I was like, yeah, let me text mom, and everything. I kid you not, literally, I texted, or I called her, and I was all, hey, like, can I go with him? And she's all, well, we're going to LA in like an hour, and we're gonna leave, so I don't think you can. And I was like, okay. I'm so sad, so sad. So just thought I'd let you know, I'm very sad, very disappointed. I wanted to go. I love running errands with him because we have great conversations about, literally nothing. But I'm so sad. But it's okay. I can deal with it. We're going to LA. I can't be sad. Like, come on. But he's my kitty. I have to leave you for 3 days. He'll be fine. We've left him. We left him at the vet for a day. He was very sad about that. Hated us, but he loves us again. So, he's so cute. I'm gonna miss you. He hates us. Can you tell? Like, look at his face. He hates us. But I'm really sad now. But it's okay. I'm packed. But like, my dad has to pack. He has to shower. My mom has to shower. So it's like, it'll take about like an hour and a half. And oh no. But, and I think that's the time the errand would take. But, yeah, so I'm sad now. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay. I just thought I'd tell you. I told you and I'd update you if anything interesting happened. You know, he comes and picks me up from school sometimes. And, you know, we'll go to, like, Starbucks and Target and whatever, because why not? And so it's fun. It's always fun. But we we honestly have a great friendship, I think. Our friendship is amazing. And, but yeah. I always love when he comes and picks me up from school, for one, because I hate riding the bus. I have to ride the bus because my mom's a teacher. I hate riding the bus. And then for two, it's just like so nice. Like I get to see like my family and stuff like right after school. And you know, obviously my mom's my family, but you know, I get to see her every day after school. So it's like, no offense, Mom, I love you, but it's like it's a different change of pace for me, and I really like that. But yeah, so I'm sad, but it's okay. I got my cat. He's gonna help my sadness. But yeah, he's gonna help my sadness, and that's great. But we're leaving soon. It is 3:22. So that's that. Yes. I have to leave my niece too. It's sad. We normally get her a lot, and so now we don't, and I'm really sad about it. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Look at him. He's a king. Literally, he thinks he's a king. So, oh, funny story. Yesterday, we were all doing something, and me and my mom were cleaning out the cars. He literally, kid you not, jumps in one of our cars and just like lays there and like, aw, takes a nap. It's the car we took him in the vet in, and like, he doesn't care, but it was so cute. I'm gonna see if I can put the picture up somewhere. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with my cat. Along with my hamster. I love them both very dearly. Yeah. I don't know. It's hot. That's all I know. Hey Siri. That was rude. Hold on, ready? Let's see the temperature outside. Wait, but I have to say. Oh wait. Hey Siri.
Go ahead.
What is the temperature outside?
It's about 88 degrees outside.
88 degrees outside. That's nice. Okay, so my cat had to get his little fur shaved off right there, and it's taking 30 years to grow back. I feel so bad. He's my little bald boy. I call him my little bald boy now. Okay, I'm oily. I think it's sweat, which is a bad thing. I should have showered. I should shower. I don't want to. Like, my hair. Oh, that was sad and gross. Like, my hair is not like wet. It's not. Ew. It's not sweaty. I know my mom. It's like, Mom, can you braid my hair? Because I can't. Like, I can braid, but like from like here down, I can't do like the top half. I can't do French braids. That's what I'm trying to say. I've just never. My sister tried to teach me, and I've never really wanted to learn. But so my mom's all, why would I braid your hair if I just cut it? And it was so funny. And I was like, because it's hot outside. And she's like, okay. And it's nice for the plane. And then it's not in your face. It's not in your face. And then you don't feel so sweaty because it's not on your neck. And so it's just funny. Thought I'd tell you. But yeah. Okay, I have a question. This is a weird question. But for your guys' Apple Watch, if you have one, do you guys have like the Nike band for your Apple Watch? And if so, does it help with sweat? Because like all under here, it gets so sweaty, and I have a tan line. Like you can like, it's not too bad now. I've kind of lost a little bit of my tan, but I had a tan line. Oh, you can see my tan line. But it gets all sweaty, and I'm all, ew, I don't like that. But yeah. I also have a lock. Like if my Apple Watch is off my wrist, like nobody can get into it unless they know the passcode. Does anybody else have that? We just completely sidelined this to an Apple Watch conversation. But I want to know, because I want the Nike band for my birthday, but is it nice? Is it comfortable? Like, does it help with, like, sweat, like, in here? Because it has, like, the holes all over the band. I don't know. Just questions, okay? That's all I needed to know. I'm just wondering. That was weird. My apologies. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I should post an Instagram picture, but I look disgusting. And I'm gonna look even more disgusting when I get on that plane, so it's fine. Okay, but I'm gonna go post an Instagram picture. I'll be back. Love you guys. We're at the beach! Guys, we're at the beach. Very fun. Okay, bye.
It's got something living on it.
Yeah, what is that? Yeah, let me see. What is it? What is that? Well, it's obviously a mussel shell, but like, what is attached to it?
I don't know.
Please tell me. Hey guys, it's Maizelynn. Welcome back to Maizelyn's Makeup. What was welcome back? Anyway, okay. Welcome back to Maizelyn's Makeup Mondays. I posted a video of me in Instagram picture of me in 2021 saying, guys, the vlog should be up Thursday. And that was the Los Angeles, California vlog I said I was gonna post. I also did not have anything else but the last clip you saw of me at the beach. That's it. And I asked you, what is this creature? And you guys will see what I'm talking about at the very end. But I just wanted to say, I did it.
Amazing!
Can I get a round of applause, please? It is January 20th of 2021, and I have officially almost finished editing this video. It will be scheduled to go up Monday at 10 a.m. like normal. Feels so good to be back into the swing of things and filming again. I just actually filmed a couple reels. Go like it. My Instagram will be down in the description below. I cannot wait, you guys, to finally be here and be back. Guys, this feels freaking amazing. I can't believe I'm back. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for supporting me through this journey of me literally not uploading for a while. And I know my last video was not edited very well, but it's because I didn't have the editing software I have right now or the computer I have now. I'm using a MacBook, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part of the video was and if you've ever been to Los Angeles. I love you guys.